this is another opportunity that I am seeing in the market, but confirmation has not come yet. Okay, so I will tell you guys what I see and what I want to pick. Normally, I only expose one thing that I used to trade. The rest, I only teach it for only those one on my premium subscription. So we saw a divergence on the indicator going up, price pointing down. That is our first priority. Okay, so when we identify this, then we look at the whole trend, where it is going, and we pick a trade according to that. Okay, so quickly let me just check on the lower time frame to see if we can see an opportunity to pick a trade right here. Okay, good. So things has not confirmed yet. This too has not confirmed yet, so we'll still wait for this to see the confirmation. So I just want to identify this for you guys right here, that there is an opportunity that we may be taking on Euro USD. Okay, so when the confirmation is down, we will enter this trade immediately. Okay, so let me go and come back to check on this for you guys. Okay, so don't worry about anything. We will pick a trade opportunity when the confirmation is done. Okay, so let me draw this here. Okay, so let's go and come, guys. So guys, I have found a confirmation right here, so I'll enter this trade right here. Okay, I'll enter this trade right here. Okay guys, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, I've entered this trade right here to see how it's going to move in my direction. Okay guys, we'll hold this to see how it goes in our direction, guys. So let's go and come back and check on this, guys. So we started smashing in profits here. We started smashing in profit, and this signal was given in the Telegram group as well. Okay, if you want to check that, here's it. Here's my group, Forex Talents. I give this signal in the group as well. So you can see I announced we are going to start copy trading. You only copy my trade automatically. Okay, you pick my trade automatically. So we are voting on which broker to go with the copy trading with. So we are voting for IC Market and SNS. Okay, so SNS is leading, so it will reach a point I won't drop signal again. You only have to link your account to my manager account. Any trade that I pick on my manager account will automatically reflect on your personal account for you to make profit. If I make profit, you also make profit. If I lose, you also lose. So why not try to copy my trade? Okay, I can't afford to lose my capital, so you will also not afford to lose yours. Okay, so just subscribe to the channel and wait. Create SNS account, deposit into it at least $100, and then you can start copying my trade from today. So join my Telegram channel. I put the link under the video description. You can go there and then we talk there, so you can see this trade is moving massively into profit. Okay, we just have to wait and see how it goes. Okay, so let's wait and come back to check on the trade again. Yo guys, so this is what we have right now. We have moved into massive profit. So in my Telegram channel, we have hit TP1 already, and we have to move stop loss to break even. You can see how massive this trade move into hitting a TP1. So let me just show you in the Telegram channel right here. Okay, so this is my group, Forex Talent. Good, so this is where I've written a TP1 hit successfully. Okay, so if you want to be receiving my signals, this is the best way to subscribe. The link to subscribe to the channel is under the video description to join the Telegram channel now. Okay guys, keep on smashing the like button for my video to go viral as we start the copy trading, guys. See you. Yo guys, so this is what we have in the next hour. Okay, so you can see the power of trading that I have right here, guys. This is very, very powerful to trade. Okay, okay, guys, never miss out on any of my signals again. Join the Telegram channel right now to get all this at hand. Okay, guys, I love you all. Right, goodbye.